Hello once again, YouTube family, and today's video it's all about the Alo Yoga that I bought, and I just got it, just came home from work as well. It actually came fast. I ordered it last week Thursday and it's now Monday, so that was a very fast delivery given that with the weekend, right? So I'm sure it would have arrived faster if you ordered it earlier. And so I'm from Australia, Sydney, and for those of you who doesn't know me yet, I'm Kristine, and thank you for watching today's video. And I've ordered some of their bestseller and just in time for the November Black Friday sale, right? And so so get big discount. I've been waiting for it, of course. I'm sure ladies can relate, but here we are, we've got it. And actually don't know what I've ordered. Just for reference, I am 157.5 centimeter in height. In Australian sizing, I'm usually size 6. Okay, and so I'm gonna try this out for you, and this is how it came with. As you guys know, I'm Kristine. I'm an entrepreneur, nurse educator. I do run 2 companies at this moment. One is the registered training organization, and the other one is the review center for nurses in Australia and New Zealand. Please check it out. It's AuRNPathway. Okay, and my RTO, Australian Health Education and Training Institute in Australia, which is AHETI. Okay, and so so we've got it here. This is how it comes with. It's just a plain plastic bag, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. The first one that I bought to show you, as I said, these are the bestseller that they have. First up is this one, which is called the Alo Soft Craft Finesse in navy, which is size small. And so this is what it looks like. It does have a logo at the back here, and this the quality, guys, I can say it's nice and really good. Bear in mind, I do have the one in Uniqlo as well, which if you wanted to save a bit more, it's a lot cheaper in Uniqlo. By the way, they have a similar top without the logo, of course, right at the back. Okay, so that's and the fitting is nice and good. As I said, for reference, I'm Australian 6, and the leggings I'm wearing is the airlift leg in espresso color. This is actually 7/8, so it's not the full length. Okay, and as you can see here, I love the brown color. As you probably can see now, it does looks a little bit black, but anyhow, in person it is brown. I love the actual brown color of it, and it's got that subtle logo at the back here. It says Alo. Alright, so this is the fitting. If I can just quickly go close, right? And so that's what it looks like. It's nice, good and fitted. This is size, can't remember now, guys, but it's the size small. Okay, so if you're size 6 Australian, size small might be best fit for you, like this one. And so the quality, I might say it's nice and good. We just wait, possibly do another review if it's gonna hold its quality over time. So let's move on to the next one. So next one, we have this suit up trouser in navy, right? So I also bought the black, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys soon. I love this, guys, and the length, as I said, I'm 157.5 centimeter, and it just fits right. This is the regular size. I mean, this is the is it the regular size? Can't remember now, but this is the it didn't really say here, but not the regular version. I think this is the shortened version, right? Because I'm about 5'2" inches tall, so it's just the actual right fit, as you can see. and the quality is amazing, I might say, and it's very stretchy, right? And if you can see, there's a logo right at the front here. It says Alo. Again, this is the navy one. It matches the top that I bought, and the quality, I must say, it's amazing so far. It does have pockets on both sides, so right and left. At the back, doesn't really have that logo at the back, but that's what you're dealing with. It's a straight cut. I love it actually. And so again, this is the navy suit up trouser. I got the XXS, guys. So I think if I have gotten XS, might be a bit too long and might be a little bit bigger, because I do have some Alo, pants that I bought previously, and I have the XXS, and that fits just right. So if you're a size 6 Australian, make sure that you're choosing the XXS. All right, so this is what it looks like, guys, and I'm gonna show you the black one. This is the black color. As you can see, it's nice and good actually, guys. Again, the quality fabric, it feels amazing. With 30% off, it's more amazing, right? And so this is again their bestseller. There's also a logo at the back, which I haven't highlighted to you guys earlier. It's right there, very subtle. It has 2 pockets, which is amazing. And XXS, size 6 Australian, look, a little bit stretchy still, so there's still a little bit room. And I love it that it's not too tight. Again, it has the Alo logo at the front. Okay, so if I'm just gonna go a bit closer there, this is the fabric, and very stretchy. There's always room for extra, just in case, not that I'm gonna put on weight, right, but just letting you know there's a bit of an extra room in it. And so this is how it looks like. So good. Yeah, I love it. And last but not the least, we've got this accolade. I don't know how you pronounce it, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's the accolade 1/4 zip pullover, and this is XXS, guys. And I'm glad that I got the XXS because they do run big. Even the XXS, as you can see, it's still big on me, which is great because you wanted, a little bit oversized, right? My friend actually has the black collar of these, and inside, if I'm gonna just quickly show you, the quality is amazing. And so I guess I just have to be careful when washing it, because my friend's black colored one, it does have like a, I guess she's worn it many times now, but I'm just gonna be very careful in terms of like washing it and all that, just to make sure that the hopefully the quality of the fabric will last, because I've seen some Alo pullover that has like kind of, the threads coming off a little bit and all that. And so yeah, it's got that nice zip here as well, and it's got that logo right here, as you guys can see, which is nice and good. I love this color. I always have black, so I thought I'll switch it up a little bit, add a bit more, much more bright or lighter neutral colors, right? And so yep, and so far I must say the quality is amazing, and it's really long, like if you so this is what we're actually dealing with the size, but I love it that it's oversized, and this is XXS, guys, right? So I must say, in person, because I've seen some of it in Dubai. When I went to Dubai, the quality is amazing, and I think, just to be safe, I bought the bestseller that they have for Alo Yoga, to make sure that it's got more reviews and I'm not going to be disappointed about it. but I love this one and the rest of it, and do hope that you guys like this video. And I hope that if you have any questions at all in relation to what I purchased, I might even do an upgrade later on, see if it's gonna hold its value. But so far the fabric, for me, it's amazing, and I hope that it's gonna hold true to its value, because it's not really that cheap, guys. It's only a bit cheaper because of the sale price, right? But if you like this video for you, any questions at all, happy to help you. And I do hope that you press that like and subscribe button so I can make informational video for you like this one. So thank you guys, bye for now.